What's going on, YouTube? Back with another unboxing here. I have the Pioneer TS-G650 two-way speakers. These are going to go in my 2002 Chevrolet Blazer as an upgrade from the factory speakers. So, not really concerned with, how should I say, I don't want to say quality, because I'm sure these speakers are very good, but I'm not really too concerned about trying to maximize speaker brand or whatever. Like I said, these are just replacing the factory speakers and, make it sound a little bit better or whatever. I'm gonna go with these for about a year, and then I'll switch into something, to really beef up the sound. But let's see what's inside. Okay, looks like we get some mounting screws, your wiring, typical wiring stuff. Okay, let's pull out the speakers here. Okay, set that aside. It does come with this warranty paper and stuff like that, typical stuff. No big deal. And let's have a look at the speaker, shall we? Alright, getting a light here. Take that off. 6.5 speaker. Tweeter, nice tweeter. These are polypropylene cones here. It's not a bad looking speaker. It's really nice. I bet these are going to sound great. I'm going to install them and we'll see how they sound. But there it is. Not very big. They're kind of... Look at that magnet. Oh, that's way better than the factory. They're not going to sit too deep. So they should probably go right back in the factory spot. But I did get these brackets here that replace the OEM brackets in the Blazer, so I may use those, I may not. We'll just have to wait and see. But there you have it, the Pioneer TS-G650 two-way speakers. Thank you very much.